Asahan ng bigger at better season sa opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 100 bukas, araw ng Sabado. Ang host school ay ang Lyceum of the Philippines University na pinangunahan ni Season 100 Policy Board President Attorney Roberto Laurel.
It is our pride and honor for LPU, Lyceum of the Philippines University, to be the host of Season 100. We are going to have a very competitive, exciting, no other season than like Season 100.
Ang tinig ni NCAA Season 100 Policy Board President Attorney Roberto Laurel. Bukod sa basketball, asahan din ang iba pang sports sa gitna ng lumalawak na interes ng mga Pilipino. Dumalo sa NCAA Philippines Season 100 Grand Press Conference ang NCAA Management Committee ng 10-member school. GMA Synergy officials na official media partner